Take a ride in the 2024 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera, Bluetooth. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime